Ani Bojo Kanoya, Gash Manoyayak, Miigwech Wendam, Gibijayak, Mompi, and Nishnabek Nation Gizizo Mizanagan, and Nishnabamun Kidwinan, Miigwech Wendam Barbara Nolan, B Kinomage Yang Nongum. Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming here this afternoon for this webinar featuring Anishinaabe words and phrases from our annual calendar. Thanks to Barbara Nolan for joining us this afternoon and for teaching us. If you've joined us before, then you know I'm Ali Darnay, Ali Darnay Indigenous, Gitiganzibi and Debendagos, Anishinaabe Iniganzi Gidang, the Anishinaabe manager here at the Anishinaabeg Nation. I come from Garden River First Nation, and I've been working with the Anishinaabe Department that was created in 2023 to support language preservation, reclamation, and revitalization. We also work very closely with Barbara Nolan, our Anishinaabe Niganwadod, and the Enki Majikwi Abzitong Anishinaabe Committee. Nahau Lori Gin Tum, Lori Maba Anishinaabe and Kitong. It's over to you, Lori, our Anishinaabe coordinator.
How Gitchinendam Wabmangok, Lori Indigenous Class Anishinaabe Nation, Donjanaki, Chimiwech Kinoya, Gibijayak. We are so happy to see you all come and join us today. And part of my role today is to start us off with our declaration. We have this beautiful declaration of who we are as a people that was created for us by the elders from Minnedominissing, and it's called Ngurwe Wangazit Anishinaabe, which means one Anishinaabe family. And these images that you see here today were created specifically for us by our head Getsit, Gordon Wandabin Spa, and they tell the story of who we are. Now, miigwech. De Benjaget gi san Anishinaabe and a king, Gibitago and God in him and Adowa Dizuin. Creator placed Anishinaabe on the earth along with the gift of spirituality. Shkuret nebe ake noden, Gibitagostanan we nagado en mon pishkogmagon. Here on Mother Earth, there were gifts given to the Anishinaabe to look after: fire, water, earth, and wind. De Benjageg Giminan, Gichatwa Wendago Konishnaben Wanag Donjin, Ninda Nijwaswe Kinumadwanan. The Creator gave Anishinaabe 7 gifts to guide them. They are Zagadwin, Debwewin, Manadendamwin, Nabwakawin, Debadendiswin, Gwekwadzuwin, Mima Akadeowin. Love, truth, respect, wisdom, humility, honesty, and bravery. The Benjagek Kimin Guna, Debinwe Winagadowendowin. Creator gave us sovereignty to govern ourselves. Kamana Dendana Gabejuebak, Minwa Nangwa Megwa Ejuebak, Minwa Giabe Wanejuebak. We respect and honor the past, present, and future. We are so very proud to be Anishinaabe. And this preamble is part of our Anishinaabe Nation Constitution, and it was adopted by our Chiefs in Assembly at Grand Council in June 2011. Nahau, miigwech. And just before we hand things over to back to Ali and Barb, I just wanted to let you know that we are working on the 2026 calendar. It'll be our 5th calendar, if you can believe it. We're so excited, because it's always been a project that we're not sure if it's able to go ahead because it's never been a funded initiative. And so we just want to let you know that we're looking for artists for our front cover and for contributors. So if you are interested in being a contributor for one of our months, please do contact us. We're looking for contributors from across Anishinaabe Nation territory. And I'll put our contact information in the chat a little bit later. And generally how we work it is that we would like our contributors to focus on a topic. So for example, we had 1 month we had back to school phrases. Another month we had phrases to use while hunting or phrases to use while parenting small children. Whatever you think, whatever appeals to you, let us know. Shmiigwech. I hand it back to you, Ali.
Miigwech, Lori. Them to introduce you to our teacher today, Barbara Nolan. Miigwech for sharing what we're going to use this Blossom Moon June phrases. Many of you know Barbara Nolan, but I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit more about her. She's grateful to have survived the attempts by Canada's Indian residential school system to take her Anishinaabe language from her. She's a vibrant first speaker of Anishinaabemowin. She spent several decades working with a variety of organizations to revitalize the Ojibwe Adawa languages. Her most passionate method is through storytelling. Anishinaabe Etta. Barbara was acknowledged for her passion and dedication with language and culture by the city of Sault Ste. Marie and was presented with the Medal of Merit Award. She was also appointed by the Anishinaabe Nation as the Anishinaabe Inigan, which is our Anishinaabe Commissioner, in December of 2020. She continues to spend time at the Garden River Daycare Center and also as an elder cultural advisor for Sault College. She's available for consultation on language revitalization, community language planning, and guest speaking. She's a proud Anishinaabe Kwe, formerly from Wikwemikong Unceded Indian Reserve, who now resides in Garden River First Nation. So happy to have you here with us today, Barbara. Thanks for taking the time to teach us today.
Naha.
Mahal.
Naha, nang wasa quick no mon nim nandan kidwinin from the Shbiga deget. Mandashkin tam Shbiga deg, wabuguni gises kidwinan. Minango manda eshigis segak. Wabuguni gises. Midash nandan kidwinan etegen ma. Naha. Shkin tam Shbiga deg, bish audun. Bish audun. Shagna shibiga de shred bashish gai Barbara the shagna shimsi kwamdana shre eshbiga dek. Naha bishaudun we nagdawin mo bishaudun naha equinishing bind again said Chibam gatman the bindik binche ing and dine bindik again said me the shmanda edming manda bind again said how equin sing is bigadek quam de sun Queen moi we angwam sit. Quam disen gedenadash. Aha. Niwing is bigadek. Now, nigdan quaquat. With Bagdan. Quackadakeda. Comes in dwim. Quackadakeda. Becca. Ni sangashitchiga. Beshamanda Bashidavadan. We want the make done. Quackadakeda. Not one dong danon dad. Pak quackodakeda. Danon dan when not one dong. Nin with the shwig on the domne singing budget. Guy on the anent vowels jibiganak esne kasje guy non do sinanik. Gadesh do jibia sinanik. Now, we could just do that in not knowing as bigadik. Quackadakeda. Now, 나는 온반 Benochiak Narundong Gaiwion Basio Quape Mida Shigenatua Unban Beshiguetago Unban Kishpin Nish Benochiak Yat Unbak Bishkugna Ali Marcy Minoa Lori Kishpin Nin Benashquagundak Aha Ali Marcy Minoa Lori Unbak Squang Oda Gnondoa Zam Ushme Beshik Unbad Beshik Ali Unbad Ali Minoa Lori Unbak Naha, gotoa chingesbigadek, noin danda nishnabe gishagat. Nishnabe gishagat gishoebat June the 6th. And subbon, June the 6th, nishnabe gishagat. Naha, nish watching esbigadek, nish watching. Obiskunyen. Goya queen mo we biskunyet. Obiskunyen gedenadash. Kiduin joeben jabamagat biskan. Niego we biskaman. Obiskunyen. Spigade. Chwaching esbigadek. Ambe bsiguin. Ambe bsiguin. We didn't ba. Ambe bsiguin. Gedenadash. Dominashqua. Zhang Ching esbigadek, Zhang Sue. Ambe Baudouin. Ambe Baudouin. Ambe Baudouin. Aha. Da Sue esbigadek. Kawisige shin. Du bist gugna Benochi. Ich bin Benochi Bamanduet. Kudazit Babuining. Aha. Comes in Bio Benochi. Ich bin Benochi Bamanduet. Mabagena Benochi. Manda Pabuin. Hemagat. Midas Mava Benochi Jrewi Quanduet. Det var down on the way. Det var dat. Geben sind Bigema. Kawisige Shin. Ich bin Mava Benochi wap mat. We kudazi mampi Mava Benochi. Gata Stashigesi, Midashke Kidimba. Kawisige Shin. Now, das ist Shibeshik. Gishpin Shanding. Quiwis Nema. Ni Shangem. Midashwi Shangeng na. Manda Mijin Kenagit Shagade. Midashwia Wawin Demotwe. Coamden Mijim. Miga Kidiamba. Coamden Mijim Beka. Mijim Demgat. Nybdang. Naham, das ist Shinish, Eshbigadek. Coabam Benochiak. Naha. Odishada tam gakiding. Das is shibeshik. Kwam dan mijim. Kwam dan mijim. Mijim kinogoshe temrat. Naha. Binochidash, binochiak. Quid mage kwabam binochiak. Kwabam binochiak. Dasushin swe is bigadek. Gedepsenina. Gedepsenina. Not one donga gedonun zin we ka. Gede. Abde quidgoton. Gedepsenina. Gedepsenina. Miwe. Gedepsenina. Naha. Das was shiniwen. Kagas knaba gwena. Kas knaba gwena. Aha. Gego kashinomonem. Not one dong. Mandanika shissin shibigadek peka. Peka. Kagas, ma, ba, we, na. Not one dong maba sigas a shre. Kagas knaba wena. Peka. Kagas knaba wena. Naha. We a kinona. Naha. Bishkugna maba. Nish bematsichik. Mabadash nin gena. Nin. Maba nene. Pien gashin kana. Pien. 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 Nin mina pien. Pien dash genona. Pien giwisne. Ikchuisne pien. Mida shudigisha. Yo genona pien. Mandadash pien dina. Ani pien. Kagaskna na. Zendwishik. Ani pien. Kagaskna bagwena. Dvishkugna nish tayaok. Wanda. Nish kayak. Kagaskna bagwena. Sam maba. Gin. Zam pien genuna. Kin. Kagaskna bagwena. Midash manda. Wandak nish. Mi manda entago. Kagaskna bagwena. Naha? We win munnen go kuna te shweba. Naha, das was shananan. Das was shananan. O mandat ni kaskna bagwe. Mampi ni kundaganangna. Gundagat miwe edmingwe. Kaskna bagwena. Naha, das was shananan. No skishagat. No skishagat. Nangwa. Nangwa. Namegi shagat. Namegi shagat. Namegi shagak. Eka. Kan. Nishka. Nangwa. Das shabeshik. Wabang das shanish. Oswabang das shinswe. Kche oswabang das shanan. Niwit. Midash minwa. Das shananan. Ni mingises. Magewabgonigises. Das shananan. Megis said. Staha. Misawe washigishgak. Das shananen nos gishgat. Nos. Nos. Nin. Nin nos. Aha. Nos. Maba. Miwan nin. Nin. Nos. Nin wan nos. Aha. Kin. Kos. Kos. Nin nos. Kos. Udeoya Beshik, Lori. Kin. Kos. Mishna Win. Mandaladischige. Oops. Osan. Osan. Nin gin win. Nin nos. Kos. Osan. Osan. Av deg mandan trek vi ansedor. Naha. Vi ankesedor. Naha om trek. Vi gisha. Gisha mandan gabaktigina. Gabaktiginega. Gabaktiginega gisha. Naha. Miwe essing. Os gishagat. Nos gishagat. Naha. Das is shingot oswe. Dishe bemet nising. Das is shingot oswe. Ambe unakida. Aha. Ambe unakida. Guchig disha. Mishwe o. Enchik toing. Guchig odig disha. Ambe unakida. Ambe unakida. Miwe. Kegi nog dawi kuchituna. Ambe unakida. Ambe unakida. Ambe unakida. En sagishgur kunagi ni. Kaiman ni kya kashigi shresi. Ambe unakida. Gai winike. Ambe unakida. Ambe unakida. Nishke. Ich bin kidien wen sagishgak. Ambe unakida. We weep. Kanigagagigit. Naha. Das is shinishwaswe. Gdom biges. Gdom biges. Biges. Miwe. Miwe biges. Aha. Kid. Gdom biges. Mi manda edmig. Gdom biges. Das is chwaswe. Kigiuna disna. Andra dajichke. Kigiuna disna. Kigiu nadis na. Kigiu nadis na. Kigiu nadis na. Aha. Kigiu nadis na. We nin kwashkot ma gibatset na. Aha. Kigiu nadis na. Kana. Abdekego in taus yanwe. Kigiu na. Kai manikya. Kigiu nadis na. Kawid. Kigiu nadis na. Minikya wajik kidian manda. Midas mina mavant kwetak. Das is chans sesbil. Abdeksagwa. Abdeksagwa. Mi eshin kwet mangwe. Abdeksagwa. Mage aninde. Nigo na sapwe. Abdeksagwa. Ningeni deket. Absolutely. Not undonganani we baptausian. Abdeksagwa. Abdeksagwa. Naha. Midas menoa. Nishtana ejbigadek. Ni ben. Zam batindon nibishan. 앞주고 batindon ki는 거지 nibishan. Nibel. 미와 엔직 개당만다. Nibel. 문스나이딕 피와 니브니고야 앞주고나니 그스람것 야배. 배구나 다니벤 다기 쇼아. 나하. 니스트나 시베식. Msoe nishnabeги жгат. Msoe kinagonggoche miwe msoe kinagonggoche nishnabe gishgat. Nishtana shenish anish namnik mesnamona. Anish namnik mesnamona. Kishpen junia siaman quitba moa the shoya. Ali Anishna minik mesnamona. Ayego? Oh, good doctor kedangin. Anishnamnik mesnamona. Anishnamnik mesnamona. Naha. Nishtanashin swe. Ambe bam seda. Aha. Ambe bam seda. Ambe bam. Oh, ka. Gin paje wamdat. Ambe bam bezda. Tabaning. Ambe bam bezda. Aha. Miwe nishtana shenswe. Nishtana shiniwe neshbigadek. Ambe zagigning bajata. Ambe zagigning bajata. Ambe zagigning bajata. Ambe zagigning bajata. Aha. Ambe zagigning bajata. Ambe zagigning bajata. Aha. Anch bishkugna nangwa ngagwechma ndanes. Kalin ambe zagigning bajata. Mi entagok. Nishtana shinanan eshbigadek. Ambe obegizda. Zam shrigo ksinamagat. Kaya uyat obegisi nungwa. Ambe obegizda. Agirgi nakedak. Ambe obegizda. Oh. Nishtana shingodoaswe. Kibogitna. Shreyabat nadwandon kumanda na ni chiman again tab. Kibogitna. Mi wigeje kwedwemba. Kibogitna. Toha. Ali. Kibogitna. Nishtana shinijoswe. Jonya minchen. Jonya minchen. Now how? Nishtana shinchwaswe. Gegwa babken. Ich bin weird chabapet na. Gego babken. Gego babken. Naruan dong. Na hami na beshek manda kashino monem. Bap. Bappe. Chabappe. Bap. Bapken. Bapken. Abdection da. Kadamadi kidwin witemgat. Gegwa. Gegwa. Bapke. Now, Gnamang wachem kan enwechek. Bishkogna nipsing. Sagamok. Endre the sa. Gego Bapken. Miweni is nikadek dialectal difference. Gego Bapken. Na how nish to na shishangswe. Ambe onim da. Up to nam name got taking. Up to nam name got. Na how ambe onim da. The nada shkoya. Ambe onim da. Agegi no kedak. Ambe onim da. How nish to na da sheshpigade. Gewa gnon chicken. Gewa gnon chicken. Gewa gnon chicken. Chicken. Gewa gnon chicken. Gewa gnon chicken. Kai we was in those no. Gewa gnon chicken. Gewa gnon chicken. Now. Goyen na gego we gwedwe. Nen kena gawin mon nenego. Goyen na gego we gwedwe. Nap mampulitafa. Mampi. Bakignan. Now. Goyen na gego we gwedwe. Gda gwedmem gishpen we gego we gwedwe. Gawi gego we gwedwe si. Now how? Bakigniget.
Bajik,
Oh,
nish, ishvim,
Oh,
pish, I
basic.
saw,
Basic.
Marcy, did you see that hand go up? And then, is that person still interested in asking a question?
Yeah, I think it went down quickly. I didn't. I saw a hand go up. I wasn't sure who. Oh, it was Error. Okay.
Oh.
Min chinjunya. Min chinjunyan bukshka. Ni da schreeuwen bukshka. Gaigego shonyag da sin. Gaigego shonyag da sin. Bukshka. Ni gashibian wa. Min chinjunya. Min chin. Min chin. Jonya. Narwandongan in de mageshkilk. Kwap mak. Odin madbeat. Tashkamek. Gutje. Kwap mak. Niederstana. Mzinegan. Min chinjunya. Shibigadene. Dad mageshkilk. Dat magen ajonya we minnendwa. Desnenji taukegwa. Minadeshe msinega Mehmet Kodana. Gajichgok. Min Chin Junior. Kegi no das not gondong ni mage quidam gemnatic shunya. Quiwid mage das anitas. Manda dusnikya kakedam. Bok ka. Bokska. Mi manda nin. Manda. En wat te den kasen. Bokska. Not gondong gaigenon doasi en. Not gondong gaigenon doasi. Naha. Kabaki gneges saminoa. Naha. Nandandashke on ke anan kidwinan. Kai nandan ni gisom sinig nintesnon. Nandan kidwinan. Naha. Sumdana shibeshik eshbigadek. O namata. Ambe. O namata. Uyo namangwaja. Uya bigita. Gimakwe maba.
Oh.
Gimakwe. Liz. Ka. Ni tanagatan ni wayang. Tanagatan. Naha. O namata. Ambe o namata. Kishpen nemegam gong wishang. Mage and Ashnakadekwe. And cheesecake. Mage and Ishnakadekwe ni boison. We wouldn't mind no de. Anishishnikadekwe. Oh, Minido King. And Jiminido King go your wee shop. Ambe unamata. Gada na go geo. Now how? Nish tana some dana shinish. Shkojigen. Abne go any wee besinto yet. Minago gnome dana mandando. Shkojigen. Mampi beskugna winjimachtak. SH dash kuket. SHK. Mshko. Shkojigen. Miwe abde quim shkojigen. Magedabanes kapambesoa wim shkojigen. Shkojigen dabanes. Aha. Samdana shinswe. Gish kwadan gminjes son. Bishkugna eshkani get nalama kinung gujiminjes son tedgen and manji de kinung gujana. Midashken the boa gish kwadan gminjes son. Nishkesh nagusian. Gish kwadan gminjes son. Oh, we agego wigwedwe, she began Maba Marcy. When Esh gego wagwedwet. Angela Ferguson. Naha. Angela Ferguson gego wigwedwe.
You'll have to unmute, Angela.
Nin? In?
Now.
Oh, aha. Angela, gigadat.
Gigadet. Angela Ferguson, Indigenous Cause, Ozawa, Memengwe, Indigo, Victoria, BC, Endow, Chippewas, Georgina Island, Ndonjaba, Mew. Mew. Mew, but
Huh?
Angela, do you have a question?
no. Nope.
Oh, okay. Your hand's up. That's why
Oh, is it?
we unmuted you. Yeah.
Baba bia we name Baba bia ma ba Angela ke gu we kwet wet. Pa mami no ang kuting Angela.
Bama.
Miigwech. Na hau. Apishna be me younger ba. Gishquadan gemingesan. Gishquadan me wena gishquadan. Gego we gishquadan man. Qui gishquadan gego. Gishquadan gemingesan. Nishkeshwen jibe gemingesan. Gemingesan. Geminges an. Gishquadan gemingesan. Mima ba. Gid ke. Gid. Gishquadan gemingesan. Kainandan nin. Ich bin schon ja mit mir. Muss organ gedinen mon. Gishquadan nemingesan. Nin. Nemingesan. Gishquadan gemingesan. Shbira de shmanda. Naha. Samdana shini wen shbiga dek. Gesegesna. Migo mi no manda nasap. Maban G gin. Gesegesna. Gesegesna. Waha. Skit gedau. Gesegesna. Naha. Samdana shinanen. Gnabodesna. Gnabodesna. Uyege ki bignonek. Gosh, blah 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 blah. Oh, gnabodesna. Miwe edming. Gnabodesna. Gnabodesna. Gnabod ni shrigo and sigi shrokidain. Gnabodesna. 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 Samdana shingodwaswa. Kade msin. Kade msin. Mimanda. Kade. Kade a. Kade uze. Kade nasap. Msin. Kade msin. Kade. 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 Sin. A sin miwe ni sin. Beba mangdek chisak. Naha. Kedem sin. Samdana shini jwaswe. Kaingi kensin. Kaingi kensin. Panegdaket manda gishpen gegu kensin. Kaingi kensin. Gishpen go yegweshma. Kiken manam barber yat. De bede kaingi kensin. Kaingi kensin. Gai nasap gawin. Katashmem kachkda ket siwe moshkid kedwin gawin. Gai. Gaingi kensin. Aha. Meaning gijitai. Tona babge. Gego na quiga gwechem. Gego na quigwetwa. Oya. Minang gwashis sake. We gwedwek. Gego. Dan yabem da sushinana de bagas kadana. Kadagwech mem gego, we gidwendiko kadagwech mem. Anish ejikedian, anish keshibi mamba, quinoagua. Gashagna shimbangi, winsisto nugok. Okay. Gego na kwigwechem. Do you want to ask me anything? Now's your chance. You have my 15 minutes of time that I would answer any of your burning questions. You probably got lots, maybe, you know, how do you say this? How do you say, don't ask me too difficult questions though, that I have to explain like a half hour.
There's one in the chat.
In the chat, okay.
Anish Eshkirian watermelon.
Nindana, watermelon. Maybe somebody else. Cynthia, maybe you have a word.
That's her asking you. Cynthia's asking you.
Oh, Cynthia, you're asking me that? Oh, I didn't see that. You were asking me. I thought it was somebody else.
Someone put in
Eshkdemo.
Eshkdemo.
The OONH is mo. Eshkdemo. Okay? Eshkdemo.
Oh.
Demo. Okay?
Okay, we've got Sophie with her hand up.
Annie Barbara,
Ani.
how do you say braid the sweetgrass?
Kadenan. Gashibiyad.
Oh,
Braid the sweetgrass. Beka.
I know sweetgrass is wingushk.
Kadenan. Kadenan. Wingush. Wingush. Okay. Kadenan wingush. Kadenan wingush. Kishpen uya minchesan. Kadenan. Niminchesan. Kadenan niminchesan.
My hair?
What?
My hair? Naminjasan.
Yeah, mimandan my. Kadenan wingush. Okay, it's nobody's sweetgrass. Okay. And then over here it's kadenan niminjasan. Okay. Sometimes we tend to put this part. Okay. Kaden motion. This is a part of a sentence that we use P when we want to have something done to you, done to me. Kaden motion. Okay. And then you would put that niminjes. Kaden motion minjes. Okay. Kaden motion minjes. But if you want to braid somebody else's hair, you could say kaden mo. Kaden mo. Ali minjes.
You're muted.
Okay. I'm muted?
Oh, no, I can hear you now.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Annie Barb,
Okay, now somebody
No,
wants
the audio
to,
stopped.
we can hear you.
It might be
I-
on your end there. If your audio is cutting out, it might be your connectivity where you're at. We're hearing Barbara consistently.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
Okay,
go
miigwech,
ahead.
Can you hear
miigwech,
me?
Barbara.
Okay,
Yes.
I'd like to go on this chat here. There's Thomas Henry has a question. Where did Thomas Henry go? Oh, okay. How do you say I will like if my grandma says behave as I'm leaving? How would you say I will in Ojibwe? Okay. I will. When you're responding to your grandma, Henry, Thomas,
Like your grandma's saying, behave.
now how? That's how you would say I will. Now how? Or if you want to be so formal, I will do it. Okay? You want that down here too?
Miigwech.
Ah, I will do it. You could say how at first. How. Okay. Now there's another one. Mary Dantus. She wants to know, number one, I'm returning your call. Okay. I'm returning your call. Gibis. Kabi. Gibiskabi, that means you're going back over there. Gibiskabi, and the G is you. Gibiskabi. Gnonin. I am calling you back. Gnonin is talking to you, right? I'm returning your call. Gibiskabi gnonin. Okay, that's one she wants to know. And then the other question is, call me back by phone. Skabi. Gnon shikkan. Skabi gnon shikkan. This kun at the end, okay, gnon, there's a gnon there, that's about speaking, okay? It doesn't matter how, but here, skabi gnon chicken, you can say bama here, later. Bama pi, skabi gnon chicken, okay? Gnon chicken. The kun at the end refers to at a time that's convenient for you. Skabi gnon chicken. Okay. Okay, delve listen to everyone. Is there a word for jigsaw puzzle or puzzle? Shijmaji sana. Ah, you got me there. Puzzle. There's, I'm not sure, but I can look it up. Okay. Okay, Nina Jane. She says, so something happens. Motion. So shin, when something happens, or you want somebody to do something to you. That's when you would add, you just can't say motion. It has to be attached to what you're talking about. Okay. Jinomo shin, show me. There's your jinomo is to point. Okay. Or show. Shin, show me. Jinomo shin. Now this one, I'm not sure where you got this word, Nina Jane. Jinashin? No. No, I don't understand that. Are you on there, Nina Jane? You can talk if you want. What is the meaning that you are looking for there?
Honey Barbara, I'm just
Honey?
trying to figure out, I always thought shin was having something done to me,
Yeah.
but I'm reading in different texts that the shin is just something that is happening.
No, you don't use that word by itself. It has to be in conjunction with something. Okay, like binan shin. Like if you're using it in a different text, okay, binan shin, come and get me. Okay, somebody wants you to go to the movies, but you don't have a car. Binan shin, come and get me. Okay, Jinomo shin, show me. Biskud shin, put it on, put it on for me. I mean, put it like maybe you don't want to bend over and put your shoe on, so you sit on a stool and you put your leg up and you say, Biskud shin, put it on for me. Okay, so it's to you. Okay, Biskud shin. Okay, but I don't know what you mean by that jina shin.
I'm just trying to find different words and putting them together. That's
Yeah, okay. It's
oh,
Jinomo.
gosh.
Okay, now Thomas Henry, you said yes, and Miigwech, because we answered your question. Danielle Busno. Bonjour, Barbara. Do you have an advice for learners of Anishinaabe who want to start a language nest by talking with each other? I think that's a very good idea. You know, but when they refer to language nests, it's usually referring to babies. It's a nest. You're going to build a nest and you're going to put babies in there, and you're going to invite all the language speakers you know in the area. Come over to my house all day. I have 3 babies over here that I would like you to speak. They're not going to come and speak to the babies. They're just going to visit, because the first thing we want to do in a language nest is have speakers around that are going to talk, so the babies can listen, can tune their ears to the sound of the language. Okay, you're not of course you're going to say, oh, you want to baby them up, eh? Oh my God, this baby is so cute. Nishkesh now, you know, and you're talking. Ani, the nashmino, benojis. Ani, benojis, that's how you're talking to the baby, or baby talking. Okay, now the baby is starting to get used to you. They will start to remember your voice. That's what happens to me at the daycare. They get used of my voice, you know, and then next time I go and I say, Ani, you know, and then they'll look around for me, you know, and some of them now I get to know their names, and then I play games. Apishat. Okay, whatever the baby's name is. Apishat. Ali, Apishat Yali, Ali. Wait there. Noap ma. Okay, so those are the types of things that happen in the baby room. So if you're starting a language nest, but you can call a gathering of where you want to start talking, you can call it language nest. It doesn't have to be babies, but that's where it originated from. The Maoris created the first language nest for kids, for babies, okay? But we could call it an adult language nest too if you want, okay? And you can certainly do it by talking with each other, you know. You could do it all day if people got all day. And that's the thing that is happening these days. Our people don't have all day, okay? They don't have all day. I was thinking about starting a weekend language gathering, just because I know people out there would come, We could go outside, but I don't like the fact that there's those, what kind of bugs are they? These stick on your skin, ticks. I had one
Ticks.
stuck on my hip. I didn't even know I had it. I don't know where it caught a ride. I was in London. I went from Garden River to Sue Airport, then to Toronto Airport, and then to London. I don't know, but it caught a ride somewhere. And I didn't feel it until that one, when I went to the bathroom to pull my pants down. Oh, there was something there, like a paper that's crunched together. So I picked at it, and it come off. And I put that thing on the sink, and here it was a tick. But I'm thinking of just getting part of the area sprayed, so we're not infested with those things. So maybe later on, July, maybe I'll put the word out, and if you want to come and have fun in the language, okay, won't cost you nothing, just your time and my time. Danielle? And if you want to start one at your place, please do so. Jacqueline, I was wondering how I might say congratulations, say for graduation, or my big moment of someone, or a big moment of someone's life. Okay, I've tried to come up with a word for congratulations, and there's no word for congratulations, mind you, but you got to look at what's happening in that. What's happening in that word? Okay, for congratulations, we're happy that somebody has accomplished something. Okay, but we don't want to say a great big word, words, lots of words. It takes too long. So what I've been doing is I've been using this. Kama, meek, kwent, da, was. Kamami kwendavas. Okay, this Mami Kwendam. Mami Kwendam is Mami Kwendam is you're full of happiness or something. Okay. Mami Kwendam, oh my God, you're just, something's happening that is of great joy. Okay. So Mami Kwendavas means you're full of great joy. You have accomplished great joy. Okay, so that's what I've been using. Kamami kwendagwas. You are that. So when a person graduates, they walk up that aisle, they get their certificate or diploma, Mami kwendagwas, because they worked hard for that. It could be a 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, whatever. Okay, Mami kwendagwas. So you can say that for congratulations, because that's what I use. I don't know if somebody else might have something else, or some might use kitchenendagos. Kitchenendagos is another one, but I think Mami kwendam because it comes from the endam. Endam, it's an endam word, the state of your mind. Okay, the state of your mind is awesomeness. You're awesome. You're awesome by that person. Okay, Mami kwendavas. Okay, is that good? Now let's see, Danielle, we went Danielle. Congratulations. Okay, Jacqueline, that's for you. Nina is just trying to things out. Arlene Ash, we say nabinnagan. Oh, for puzzle. Okay, Let's write that down. Nabinagan. Nabinagan. Nabin. Okay, and that probably comes from the word to look. Okay. Nabinagan. Okay, that's it's like I would use an AN because I use the system of writing system that I use. Nabinagan. The looking for thing. Okay, so what do you do when you have a box of puzzles? We're going to look for where they're going to match, where they're going to fit. The looking for thing. Okay, that's puzzle. Miigwech for that. Miigwech and we always gather words, for new words. Miigwech. Arlene Ash. Where are you from, Arlene Ash? Apishinchbide. I don't know if she's answering. Cynthia Genoget to show. Yeah, Genoget. Pointing. Okay.
Arlene answered in the chat. She says, I live on Kelwood, Manitoba. Kelwood, Manitoba.
Manitoba. Miigwech for sharing that word. We shall use it whenever we can. Okay. Nabnigat. Online resources gives the word Nabnigat. Let's say it's the same thing. Nabanagan for one and Nabnigat for the other. Jabwe awe. Ray H. Jabwe. Jabwe awe. Jabwe. Jabwe. Want to speak to that? Ray H. Jibwe. Oh, Jibwe awe. Oh, mina. Jibwe awe. Nadwandon kedok. Bishkugnagdakit nishnabe awe. O Jibwe awe. Mem digede shkumawi nishnabe sidod manda. Jibwe awe. Aha. Maba Lori kedo. Binochi sak. Binochi sak nustatago kenongwacha. Non dagok ning. Ishnakadekwe. YouTube. Oh, Chimigwech Barb Kida Danielle Busno. Aha. Migwech ni begid ni we de bim ningok mino. We besin don ningok. Ba. Nishin Ray H. Mary Dantu Saha Migwech Mani. Oh, Danielle Dabishak Kida Kawin Munpi. Naha. Sophia Solaris, Chimigwech Keda. Paul Finney, Chimigwech, Chickenomage Que. Wow, Chickenomage Que Nolan. Aha, Abde Guinamacha. Mino Abgoni Jesus. Ishmina Laura. I am beginning my journey. Bjina game Abamachtawi Nishnabe Mat. Nished. Arlene. What? Keep it sindak. Nished. Now, oh, nishke mabundel Vincent nish bigatek. Min sabon. Ki punta tot wibnikwetes na nishen. Nishen. Kinagoya paxkin jitis up. Nishen, upjanishen. Jacqueline Chimigwech Keda, Kelwood Manitoba Mava Arlene Ash, Sarah Schilling, Wanishmanda. Apishain. Oh, Wisconsin. What's that? Bad River. Give me bzanabang wedding wooden Bad River. Ningi jame o Bemidji. Mutigapashan. Culture, Language, Arts Network. Schön. Na how me
Arlene has her hand raised. Arlene, you can unmute. I think you did.
Arlene? Gego?
Bonjour,
Ojo.
Arlene.
Aha.
Não dois.
Agnon dod.
Giakos kain na poesi pa. We kaki kakwetech na binigan. Ni mama ni ta na binige.
Oh.
Mi kanji wicha kwete kan na dok kendag. Minendang ni mama en ta na binige chen ta utumuk.
Oh, san is schön.
Weten 339.
Aha.
Miski ko mang is nakate sko na ganing gaunjian.
Aha.
Nabuji boy do kije.
Aha.
Skoate si kwen de na benikas.
Aha.
Oedas nimnendan oega tutman ka kinamagen anas na be moen.
Nangwa?
Ja, kenin ni which to in nishna yaski ka kinamagen anong nishna be mon.
Oh, san is schön.
Di Arlene de na kanigo
Aha.
e maga kenin gashit taguan e kinamagen kenin e
Aha.
wipan.
Aha.
Miashika kion chitaguan kenin nogum.
Ah.
Sibisandoinan kakinamagegin. Kan gigin en tagok kakinamagen snabemon.
Ah.
Tagos singe nanakmamando.
Gnastatod shwe go gigidain. Gnastatod. Ah.
Yeah.
Gnastatadame. Ane kan bangi. Gnastatod shwe go hekadiet. Ah.
Yeah. Ma gopte 115 kitsababone ban kashkoyats. Gin ta kanuna.
Oh, kdo dem?
Ja, mi
Oh.
kai net kai nean kanje systeman snabemon.
Ah.
Mosga gip min snabem tagwan genin ki gatchinje.
Aha.
Ja, nimentanya ga kinamagen.
Miigwech Arlene.
Ja, miigwech.
Gazagid.
Ja, gizagin nam jikana.
Ama. Aha. Misa idik wa. Mami no ang goding.